Okay. Okay, so then if we're going to divide 60 by 4, are we going to say CDs per dollar or dollar per CD? Dollar per CD. So then the cost is $60 per 4 CDs. So that should be our fraction like that. So when you divided, what did you get, Sean? So $15 per CD, right? And then what would be your other fraction, Kaden? 75. And make sure we are labeling. If you do not label, it is completely wrong. And what do we get for that, Cheyenne? Good. Make sure you have your 0 with your 50 cents. So then what was your final answer, Callie? What? The music place, because that was the cheaper buy. Thumbs up if you got that. Rewrite it like this, please. Yes? Typically, sometimes. Just kind of depends on how you would typically say things. But yeah, typically your time's on bottom. Number 2, after 3.5 hours, Pasha had traveled 217 miles. If she travels at a constant speed, how far will she travel after 4 hours? How are we going to write our ratio that we are given, Addie D? Good, because we would say miles per hour, right? So what did you get when you got the unit rate, Aaron? 62. And what did you label it? Miles per hour. Good. So they're driving 62 miles per hour. How long are they traveling for, Gracie? So what are you going to do with that? Multiply by 4. So then how far do they travel? 248. And it would just be miles because it's asking how far. Thumbs up if you got that. Okay. Number 3. Write 5 pounds for $2.49 as a unit rate. Round to the nearest hundredth. When we are writing it as a unit rate, what does the denominator always have to be? 1. So Addie, how did you write the original rate?
I did $2.49 over
5 what?
5
Good. And when you divided, what did you get, Hayden? What? 50 cents per what? Per pound. Questions on that one? Thumbs up if you got that one. Okay, and then number 4 says use an example of how to describe how a rate is a measure of one quantity per unit of another quantity. Anybody brave enough to share their answer? Julia, what'd you say? It's not even better than that. Cheyenne. Any others? All right, perfect. So what we are going to do next